Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to arrange monitor displays whenever you are using in desktop or in laptop. That is, don't worry, the settings is same. So here you can see I'm using my multiple monitor systems, and sorry, you can actually see my only my in display. You can see also only see one display. So simply right click, then go to display settings. Then you can see there is two displays. Okay, actually there is three displays because I am connected my the settings into my laptop. So there is display 3, it is called laptop display or internet display. Okay, so I turned off that because I don't have a space for my laptop display in these settings. So I turn off that laptop display off. How to do that? It is very simple. Go to all the way down, then you can see option of advanced display. Click that, and the first option like select a display to view or change its settings. So here is a drop menu. Click that, then you can see different options like dull. There is my two monitors, 1 and 2, and there is 3. It is my internal display, that means laptop display. I click that, then I will turn on the settings. Remove display from desktop. Click here, and it is currently turned on, and my laptop display is off. And I'm not using that display because I have two big displays like with 24-inch two displays, so that's enough. So I turn off my laptop display for saving this power, and also turning off that for I don't want this, so I turn off that. So that's guys. And out arrangement, you can see here whenever we are put two monitors and connect that monitors to a laptop or desktop, the monitor the laptop or our desktop does not know which side those monitors have. So we can simply come here this page, okay, and click here identify, then you can know which side is left or right. Okay, so in case my monitors in like this, okay, so my left side there is my monitor 2 and my right side my monitor 1. So normally it is like this, but actually you can simply drag and drop anywhere and that will be happen. Okay, starting time, this is my setups. So whenever I move my cursor to left side monitor, it is not work because this settings arrangement settings the display is here, so I need to move to right side, but actually I am drag this display to left side for easy use. So I can simply move left side, then the mouse will become left side, so come to the display 2 and move to right side, go to display 1. So normally people have just remove the HDMI cables and they change the connections for doing that, but actually you can simply put anywhere by using like this. Okay, some people, some gamers, they are using 3 displays, and one display is horizontally, and that's become the right side, then you can see that. And some people have multiple monitor settings like this, okay, top of the monitor, then you can simply drag that, then your mouse pointer will go upside like this. You can move to all the way up to go to that monitor. So you can simply arrange monitors by from here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.